Lot 24 is next. Lot 24, monumental ZAWKII, 50 million, 80 million. Well, save us all a lot of time, thank you. $80 million at 80 million. $80 million, there it is with Joyce for $80 million. Shami, 85 million at $85 million. 90 million in the room there, center of the room, gentlemen's bid, $90 million. 95 million now with Ada at $95 million. At 95, give me 100, sir. At 95, 100 million, thank you, sir, in the room. For $100 million, the bid is in the center of the room there. At 100, what will you give me next? 110 million, Li Shin for $110 million. 115 million, 115 then up top. I'll take 120, sir. 125 million, 130 million, thank you, sir. $130 million, back in the room now for $130 million. 135 million, 140 million now. Shami, your bid, $140 million. 145 million. Shami's bid, $145 million. $150 million, thank you, Lishin. 150 now, closer to me, at $150 million. 155 million. 158 million. 158 is now with Shami. At 158. 160 million, thank you. At $160 million. 160 then. All out up top. 162 million. 165 million. 165. 167 million. All right, $167 million then. 170 million, there's a bid. 172 million. Thank you very much. 175 million. $175 million. 177 million. Well, we're at the record-breaking level now. We've already broken the record by many, many millions. So $178 million, there it is, with Lishin at $178 million. So all out in the room. It's a brand new world record for ZAWKII, $178 million. Sold for you, Lishin, 178. Thank you very much.